Hello, my name is Michnes, and I'm the president of anything that straps to motorcycles, mostly soft luggage. This is our new belly pouch Enduro, and it's a little handlebar bag that's made for motorcycles with handlebars that's got a lower sweep. This is our belly pouch handlebar bag, the premium, and it's made for handlebars that's got a higher sweep like the BMWs, the Honda Africa Twins, and those kind of bikes. But this one is also made for enduro bikes, although the premium also, but this one is made to bridge that gap for enduro riders, which can strap it on the front of their bikes or on their handlebars. And then obviously for bikes like the CF Moto and the guys, it's got lower sweep handlebars. It's made from the same type of construction as the premium, the same fabrics, the hardcore fabrics that's made specially for us. The triple stitching, the bar tacking of the webbing on the front. So purpose-wise and longevity-wise, it's a product that's going to last for many years on different kind of motorcycles. And basically, the handlebar bags are for people that doesn't want tank bags. So maybe they carry a little bit less. But if you do want to have it also with a tank bag, you can do that because this one, the same as our premium, can easily be removed and fitted to a bike with the 5 little fingers that we've got on the bag. That's also removable, and you can then decide how many of them do you want on the bike, 3 or all 5, or maybe you want to remove them completely because you fit the bag to the bike permanently with cable ties or double-sided Velcro. The inside of the bag, the lid, has got 2 zippers so that you can fit the bag on the bike towards you or away from you if you want to throw the lid over. There's a waterproof zipper inside, and this bag is highly water resistant. The lid has got an additional waterproof membrane in there so that the water can beat off of the bag. And even if you're riding in heavy rains, it will stay dry. If you leave it outside for 4 or 5 days in the rain, it will probably get wet, and if you dunk it. But for the rest, your stuff will stay dry in the bag. Additional to that, there's on the inside, and this thing can take a lot of stuff, and screwdrivers and Allen keys and Leathermans. There's red fabric so that you can easily see what's inside the bag. There's an additional sleeve there where you can put different stuff, maybe cameras or your cell phone. And then we've also got long tabs on the zipper so that you can pull it with gloves. On the front, on the top on the lid, there's the Molly and the Pels webbing, and it's for getting sunglasses in there or anything else you want to attach to it. But it's a really versatile little bag that you can probably last for many, many years on different kind of bikes that you ride. It's easily removable. You can carry it with you if you only want to take this to town, or maybe you're commuting. You don't need to carry a lot of stuff with you. But this is the belly pouch Enduro.